Welcome to Bristol Maps Scanner. In this video, we'll take a tour of the 6 built-in scan modes that control what happens when you scan a freight tag, and we'll show you how to switch between them. Right under the toolbar, the app always shows a short description of the current mode. That italic line is your reminder of how the scanner will react to the next tag you read. Handy when you've been working through a long shift and want to double-check before you pull the trigger. Tap the mode button in the top right toolbar to bring up the mode picker. Each row is a mode you can switch into, with a short description of what it does underneath. You decide which modes appear here from settings, so your own picker may list more or fewer than the built-ins we walk through, including any custom modes you've created. First up is Scan Search. This is the default, a high-power scan that's good for finding net tags and freight from a distance. Pulling the trigger reads every tag in range and shows them in the list. It doesn't change anything on the server, it just shows you what's there. Manage a Charge Transfer is the workhorse for moving freight around. When you scan in this mode, the app pops up the freight detail so you can change the status, the assigned tender or yard, and the recipient before saving. It's switched off by default on a fresh install since the scan and go modes cover most jobs. Turn it on in settings when you want the full detail view on every scan. Fisherman Possession is a scan and go mode for handing freight off to fishermen. Every tag you read is automatically set to the Fisherman Possession status and removed from your tender's inventory. No pop-up, no extra taps, just point and pull. Quick Receive is the mirror image. Every tag is assigned to your current tender or yard, and its status flips to storage. If the tag isn't in the system yet, the app will create the freight record for you on the fly. Send to Tender or Yard gives you a configurable scan and go mode. You set the destination, the tender, and the status once when you enter the mode, and every subsequent scan gets those values applied. Set just one field or all three, whatever the job needs. The last mode is Reset Tag. This one is destructive and hidden by default. You have to enable it in settings before it shows up in the picker. Scanning a tag in Reset Tag mode strips the RFID code off the freight and archives the record, freeing the physical tag to be reattached to a new item. Let's pick Fisherman Possession to show the switch happening live. The header up top now reads Fisherman Possession, along with its short description. Any tag we pull the trigger on next gets that treatment. Its status set to Fisherman Possession and the item removed from inventory. The current mode persists across app restarts, so the scanner is always in the mode you left it in. We'll switch back to Scan Search so we don't accidentally deliver anything in the rest of this series. That's the 6 built-in modes and how to switch between them. In the next video, we'll look at how the C72's hardware side button can be repurposed to cycle modes without ever opening this picker.